Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
So you can see on Stripe, we did $1,784 yesterday. Today we're at 562. It is 11 a.m. here. And on PayPal, it won't report the last 2 days for some reason. So it's, I think, around $3,000. We did $4,000 yesterday. But the point here is we're making anywhere between $100,000 to $200,000 a month with our business. Now, that doesn't mean we net it. We gross that revenue. After we pay out our employees and pay for everything that we're paying for, we're looking at maybe a 70% profit, 60%, I don't know. But the cool thing about online businesses is they're usually pretty high net profit because, especially in our business, we're not spending money on ads. It's all organic. Now, you can spend money on ads and you can make a lot more money spending money on ads, but you can also lose a lot more money. So one of the things you want to think about when you're doing an online business is your ratios. Do you want to be super high ad spend, tons of employees, tons of expenses, or and make a lot of money? Or do you want to make a little bit less money, have less expenses and less maintenance and scale a little bit slower? It's kind of up to you, but when you start out, you don't need to be spending a bunch of money on things. In fact, when you start out, you really just want to start out learning how to make a few bucks yourself. And then when you do that, then you can really start to kind of ramp up and figure out, okay, this is what I want to do to scale this. This is what I want to do to start putting some money into it. So here we can see in the last year, 1.15 million in revenue. We did about another 1 million on PayPal. And the reason why we have 2 payment processors is because some people prefer using PayPal, some people prefer using Stripe or credit cards. So either way, you can see we had a big lift here in January, and I can tell you what happened there. And you can see we're kind of slowing down right now, getting some dips, and I'll explain why, or at least my theory on this. But yeah, definitely made one of our biggest months in January. I think we did close to $300,000 between Stripe and PayPal. And in December, we did really, really well. We did about, I think, 200. Now, let me tell you something. Remember how I said earlier, you can run ads. We were running in December last year. I'm going to tell you my reasoning here for why I was actually spending ads back in December, spending money on them. It's because I wanted to offload a lot of my money because advertising is a write-off. So if you spend, or if I spend, $100,000 on ads, I get to write off $100,000 in advertising. What I was doing is I was getting a lot of people interested in something that I was offering. And in January, I sold to all those people. I sold a course or a spreadsheet or something. I sold software, all kinds of stuff. And that's why I saw this huge uptick. So I did make a lot more on these months, but I also lost a lot more. Behind the scenes, I lost a lot of money. So anytime you see somebody that says, oh, I make, $2 million, $3 million a year, whatever they make, whatever they're saying, you gotta realize that you don't know their ratios. So they could have a very high cash flow business, but they could have a lot of debt. Okay. And so there's people that have tons of cash flow, but they're millions and millions of dollars in debt. Our business, the cool thing about our business is we have $0 in debt. So we're not spending anything beyond, what we're spending on labor and the cost to run our products and, APIs and that kind of stuff. So when you model somebody, and this is something that I don't think people realize when they're starting out, it's like, oh, I just want to make money. I just want to make money. I want to model what this person's doing, what this business is doing. But they don't realize that they might model somebody that's in huge debt. They're super stressed. Their business model, they're actually trying to get out of. And so you want to, in my opinion, you want to pick people that are not just high cash flow, but their business model is super scalable and it doesn't require a whole lot of debt and stress. Okay.
Oh, yes. Before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.